Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to Manny Pagan Travel, and I'm going to show you guys an amazing place. I am staying at the Hillhouse in San Lorenzo, Puerto Rico, and this is absolutely spectacular. So beautiful, high up in the mountains, and what a view. So we're pretty isolated up here. As you can see, not really much over here. But here's the Hillhouse. It's only for 2 people, all right? For couples. And check it out, guys. As soon as you come in, look at this amazing kitchen. I'm gonna lock this right here real quick. Look at that. Amazing kitchen. It has everything that you need. We bought some bread. We went to a bakery. Here's the bedroom. All right, the bedroom looks wonderful as well. And you have a view. You can open up right here and just go straight into the jacuzzi I'm going to show you in a second. Here's the bathroom. It was really nice. It actually has 2, let me turn the lights on. It actually has 2 rainfall showers there, and the third one here. You can activate both, so you and your spouse can take a shower. And that's me, of course, super burnt. And now let me show you the rest of the place. Check it out, guys. Absolutely amazing. You got the TV, and the best of all, look at this view. Look at this amazing, beautiful view.
Mommy, I'm a dolphin.
Yes, this is so beautiful, guys. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Jacuzzi is warm, like I said. Temperature is not, you know, the greatest. Up here, it's fresh. Look at these views that you get, guys. Amazing. Got a shower here. Spectacular. You also have this like fireplace thing right here. So we'll turn this on in the nighttime and I'll show you guys. But this is wonderful. I just realized there's a whole nother bathroom here as well that you can use right outside if you don't want to use the one inside. So that's very convenient. This is amazing. Alright, so we get in, and since I'm burnt, oh man, this is too hot. But guys, this view is, man,
so tasty.
This is $1 million view here. It's $1 million view, honestly. We're getting more of like, you know, the sunset look. The sun is gonna be down soon. Tomorrow we're gonna spend most of the day here, then we're going to the Sunset Festival. So, you know, I'll have more content for you guys. The morning view and also the night view as well, so that way we can see. But we're definitely gonna turn this on tonight and have a nice coffee when we get back, because tomorrow we're gonna stay in until the nighttime. We bought certain things to make breakfast in the morning, and it is unbelievable how beautiful this place is. All right, guys, good morning. A spectacular day in Puerto Rico. We had a great time in Sanse, and excuse me, now we are here. So check it out, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful morning. Mountains of Puerto Rico. Spectacular. We made breakfast. We used this grill. We got the nice Puerto Rican breakfast here. The eggs and cheese and all that. And it's gonna be a spectacular day. Can't wait to get a nice beautiful shot from here out there. It's amazing. Guys, so staying in our beautiful home, about 10-15 minutes away there is a river. It's called Los Siete Chorros, and we're gonna go check it out to see how it is. Parking is $5, and it'll be right here next to this restaurant. So they have a restaurant here, and you pay right there in the restaurant, and then you're able to go. Check it out, guys. Now it's in between private property, so you know they're making a killing off of this place. But not so many people know about it. I've never been here, and I've never even heard of this place. So pretty interesting.
Can you imagine buying property and this is what you have in your backyard?
Yeah, I mean, you buy a property that, you know, basically has it in your backyard. This is where you become rich. Phenomenal. Wow, look at this, guys. Beautiful. And we have it all to ourselves. There's nobody here. How's the water though? It's cold, but I think that you can totally enjoy this. Okay, so Siete Charcos. I mean, wait, is it? Siete Charcos, right? Siete Charcos. Sorry, Siete Chorros. Siete Chorros. So this is the Siete Chorros, and let's count them, all right? Chorros are basically waterfalls. So we got basically one here, another one there. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Small ones there. So that's where it gets its name. I'm definitely going in. My wife is chilling, but we got to do it. Guys, why have I never come here? This is amazing. Oh my goodness, this water's so refreshing. It's not freezing, and we're in like the coldest time of the year. So I can imagine in the summertime how packed this could get. But guys, it's not too deep. It is deep here in this end. I'll take you guys with me. Spectacular, guys. Finally got her, guys. We got in here. How's it feel? Beautiful. It feels amazing, guys. And she hates cold water. So trust me, you guys are gonna like it here. San Lorenzo, Puerto Rico. Finally managed to get the little fire pit on. Nice and warm. Too bad the seats are all wet. This is warm. Alright guys, so it is time to leave this beautiful paradise, this beautiful home. It was special. It was beautiful. Love it. Just making breakfast now, then packing up. So would I stay here again? Absolutely, 100%. We had an amazing time here, and it's a pretty good location. It's pretty much all the East Coast is an hour away. If you want to go to Culebra, Vieques, and get the ferry, it's 1 hour away from here. If you want to go to San Juan, it's 1 hour away from here. So it's a pretty good location. It's not too far from major important places, and overall we had a great experience here with all the facilities that they have here. So that's all I got. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All right, thank you guys for watching.